I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sakura game. To begin your adventure, first choose your character and personalize their look. Next, understand the primary goal, which usually involves exploring the vibrant world and interacting with its inhabitants. Take a moment to get comfortable with the game's interface and the fundamental controls, ensuring a smooth start to your journey. This foundational knowledge is key for a successful experience. Now, let's dive into the core mechanics. You'll navigate the game world using simple directional controls, often with a jump button for traversing obstacles. Interacting with various objects and non-player characters is crucial for advancing through quests and uncovering new areas. Remember to regularly check your inventory to manage items, equip powerful gear, and ensure you are always prepared for upcoming challenges. Mastering these actions will greatly enhance your gameplay. To truly excel, focus on advancing your character. You can improve skills and attributes by earning experience points from various activities. Completing missions and challenges is essential, as this unlocks new areas to explore and provides valuable rewards. Always strategize your next moves, considering the most efficient path to achieve your game objectives. For example, prioritizing certain quests can save you significant time and effort in the long run. Finally, let's explore advanced play and community engagement. Seek out hidden secrets and participate in special events. These often yield unique and powerful rewards. Don't be afraid to experiment with various playstyles. You might discover a new favorite way to enjoy the game. Connecting with the vibrant community can also provide invaluable tips, shared experiences, and even new friends to embark on adventures with. Enjoy your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.